Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create social media quotes using the AI designer. So first, begin on the home page of the Design tab by choosing Design in the top toolbar. Then you'll be brought to this page and go ahead and select Generate with AI. This window will open up with all the different options to generate with AI. You can do text to image, AI presentation, TikTok reels and scripts. And today we're going to be talking about social media quotes. So go ahead and select this. And then go ahead and select your format. By format, we mean what type of post and which platform do you want to post on. This way, when you generate images with the AI, it'll be the exact dimensions needed for the platform that you want. So I want to create an Instagram post, so I'm going to select this here and then click Next. Now that I've selected my format, we need to type in a little bit about our content. So briefly type in what your post is about. Once you've typed in your topic, go ahead and click Generate. And in just a few seconds, an artboard will open up. The AI has generated these completely original artboards based on the text that you inputted, and it has created in the dimensions that you need for your social media platform. When you're happy with your design, you can use this export button to either download it to your device or publish it to your social media channels right through Simplified. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other videos to see how Simplified's AI can help your social media every step of the way. See you there.